If you're a affiliate marketer and you promote product to make money online, so you observe that whenever you want to get your link from all those affiliate markets, you are going to click on, let's assume that I'm using ShareSelf for example, and I want to promote this particular product which is called Fresh Book. So I'm going to click on get my link to show you how ugly most of those links can be. So as you can see, this is the link. If I copy it, then come over to a new browser. So I'm going to paste the link over here. As you can see, this link is very long, and it's not recommended that you can share it on social media or even add it in your mail responder. So the best thing you have to do is to shorten it. And when it comes to shortening your URL, there are two popular companies that come in place. One of them is Rebrandly.com and second one is bitly.com. So the fact that these popular websites are popular doesn't mean they are the best in the market. So I'm going to show you best alternative to Rebrandly and also best alternative to Bitly link. So the reason why I'm actually recommending this particular platform is the fact that if you want to actually enjoy these two popular platforms, you are supposed to subscribe to their paid plan. So but the one I'm going to show you in this video, they are free. You are not paying any money to actually get access to it, and there's a in-depth tracking you can do on this platform. So okay, let's assume that we want to use Rebrandly as our link shortener or custom link shortener. So I'm going to actually click on this new link to actually paste the link I actually got from ShareSelf. So I'm going to paste the link over here, then actually choose my log. You can actually choose your log in Rebrandly. So maybe I will actually say fresh book recommended, fresh book 2, so that it will be able to go. So I'm going to click on like create a link over here. So I'm going to click on create a link. When I also go back to Bitly and I create a new link over here, create a new link. So create a new link over here. You are going to paste the link and you are going to choose the title, maybe fresh book, which is the link we ought to shorten it, fresh book. We are going to choose fresh book also. So those two functions, they actually offer these two functions for free member. So I'm going to create the link to show you what I'm going to do. So as you can see, it said this one is not unavailable. So I'm going to choose maybe number so that I can show you what is possible using these two popular custom link shortener. So as you can see, the links has been created. So both Bitly and also Rebrandly actually offer a great deal for affiliate marketers that want to actually track their link, but it is not the best. So one of the reasons why I don't really recommend using Bitly and Rebrandly.ay is the fact that if you are a free member, you have limited tracking. So as you can see, for you to track the devices that this click is coming from, you have to upgrade. And also when you come over to Rebrandly, so for you to track where the visitor is actually coming from, you are supposed to like subscribe. So let me go back to show you one of the links that I've created in the past to show you that I can barely see where most of this link is coming from. As you can see, it is logged. You have to ensure you subscribe before you can do the in-depth tracking. And for someone, affiliate marketer that are just starting out, it's not advisable for you to invest all your money into a link shortener since you are just starting out. So that is why I'm actually recommending this particular platform that gives you every details for free. So I'm actually talking about this particular platform, which is called PrimeLink.net. So this platform offer you all-in-one tool, so you can do in-depth tracking. So you can see the where your traffic is coming from, maybe from United States, United Kingdom. And if you have social media profile, you can do smart deep linking. So if you have a bio page, you can actually do a bio page using this platform. So this platform offer you 2-in-1 solution. And also if you have a URL or your branded domain name, you can actually add it to this platform, PrimeLink.net, to actually track all your visitors and know which device they are coming from. So this platform is 100% free. You are not required to actually pay before you can get started. So for you to get started, you can actually scroll down or scroll up a little bit, then you are going to click on this get started to actually sign up for free. So you are going to choose your username, you are going to choose email, password, then confirm your password, agree the terms and conditions. You are not a robot, then register. So you are going to get access to it. You are not paying any money, mark my word. So but due to the fact that I've been using this platform for years now and I didn't regret actually subscribing for them, so all you have to do is to click on login to show you the dashboard of this website, and the reason why is far better than Bitly and also Rebrandly. So I'm going to click on I'm not a robot, so choose the car option. So I'm going to choose car from this option, then click on verify, then I'm going to log in. So I'm going to show you the dashboard. This dashboard is very amazing. So as you can see, I've been using this particular custom links tracker for years, and you can see the stats they are showing me. So I have like a 102 link I've already shortening, and I have about 3,713 clicks. The reason why I'm actually recommending this platform is very, very amazing. So as a free member, you can actually get access to this platform. And if you want to track your visitors, so for example, I'm promoting p3.ai for video creation. So I actually create a custom link, which is primelink.p3.ai. So this particular link is very, very okay if you want to share it with your friend or your social media. So it's very, very much okay. So for example, for you to, let's create a custom link from the one we copied from Share Yourself to show you the entire process. So you are going to paste the link over here. Oh, okay. So let me go back to Share Yourself, copy the link, then come over to primelink.net, paste the link, then you are going to click on shortening over here, and this particular link shortener is going to shorten it for you. And you are going to get this QR code. If you actually send this QR code, someone can actually sign up using your link. So, and you can actually copy this link straight off, but there's an in-depth thing you can do at the long run. So let's assume that I copy this particular link, then refresh to show you exactly how you can customize this link. So as you can see, we already have this link already, but the slug is not really much okay. So we can do further editing. So you are going to click on this icon, then you can actually edit it to your taste. So you know, like most of the links you shared on social media or your description of the YouTube channel is actually customized. So all you have to do to customize this particular link, since we are promoting FreshBook, you have to come to this is domain name. You can add your own domain name. Maybe you have a branded domain name, you can add it over here. And if you want it to redirect to a particular page, you can actually do it here. So I'm actually concerned about changing this alias or slug. So let's change it to FreshBook R, so that it will be able to see it as a new link. So this is the custom link. All you have to do is to actually click on save, and you are going to get a very nice custom URL. So this is the custom URL. So when we copy the URL over here, then come over to the another browser to actually show you, it's going to take us directly to freshbook.com. So that reason why, and you can actually track where the visitor is actually coming from. So as you can see, I'm going to show you what you actually need as an affiliate marketer. So this is the official website of freshbook.com. So and when we go back to Primelink, and I'm actually going to actually click on the dashboard to show you why this particular platform is the best deal for everybody. So as you can see, this is the recent activities, and this is the where my visitor is actually coming from. So let me click on it. You are going to click on here, actually show the start of this particular URL shortener. So I'm going to click on the start to show you what is very, very important, because if you do CPA marketing, you actually want to track where your visitor is actually coming from. As you can see, the link actually did for this particular URL is coming from Nigeria. And if you check the country, it's going to show you the state it's actually coming from. So this is the country, and when we check the city, it's coming from Lagos, Nigeria. So this particular URL shortener do in-depth tracking. And when we check the platform this particular link is coming from, I'm going to check the platform. You are going to see I'm actually using Windows 10. As you can see, Windows 10. And when we check the browser this particular link is coming from, we are going to see that I actually use Chrome browser for this particular link click. So I'm going to actually click on it. It's going to show me the status. So as you can see, this particular link actually came from a Chrome browser, because I'm actually using Chrome browser to record this video. So as you can see, this particular link shortener or custom link shortener is the best deal for you to do in-depth tracking. So you can even check the referral, which platform actually refer this particular like they said, direct or email or other link click. So you can actually track your visitor, where they are coming from, the browser they are using, and everything you are getting here is 100% free. You are not paying upfront. So let me show you another thing you can do with this particular primelink.net. You can actually create a bio page for your social media profile for your YouTube channel. So as you can see, I have different bio page over here, and I can actually track where the visitor is actually coming from. So let me actually copy this and paste this in another browser to show you what you can do with all this all-in-one tool, which is called primelink.net. So as you can see, this is a bio page that actually show you like you can actually add to your social media profile like TikTok, like Facebook, like Instagram, so that people can actually buy product from your bio page directly. So before I actually round up this video, let me quickly do the pricing, like comparison pricing between Rebrandly, Bitly, and primelink.net. So as you can see, they actually have a free member with primelink.net, and you can have like 50 shortening and over 1000 link click every month, and they have 30 days retention whenever you are using them for free. So if you want to create a bio page, you can create one bio page with their free plan. And if you actually want to like upscale your game, you can actually upgrade to their pro version, which is going to cost you like $8.99 per month, and you are going to have unlimited short link click and also link click, and they actually have 30 days retention, like data retention, and you can create 10 bio page on this particular account. So if you are just starting out, I will actually recommend you can actually subscribe for this their individual plan. So but if you check other competitor like all these Rebrandly.ly, due to the fact that they are very popular, their pricing is very, very high. As you can see, they are charging you the minimum amount, like they are charging you $8 per month. You're going to have like 10 click, like 10 click every month. If your link click actually exists 10, you are going to automatically be be upgraded. So you can actually check some of their plan. They actually is very, very high compared to primelink.net. And if you check Rebrandly is quite of you are going to get like 250 branded link every month and 250 QR code every month. So on my own opinion, someone that just starting out affiliate marketing, I will actually recommend this primelink.net because it actually saves you a lot of money. The fact that you can start them without paying. So after you have gotten like 1000 click, you can now consider maybe you want to pay or you don't want to actually test the platform out. So I hope this video actually help you out to actually save you a lot of money, trying to use all those popular link shortener, which is very, very popular but not the best in the terms of shortening your URL. If this video actually help you out, ensure you give it a thumbs up, and I will see you in my next video.